Hi, I'm Noelle with Paper Clipping. I'm here with Paul at the Craftwell booth, and we're going to look at the eCraft cutting system. This is brand new, right?
This is a brand new machine. We're showing it for the very first time here at the Orlando show, but we're really launching in January in Anaheim. So this is really a sneak preview of some very new technology.
Oh, very cool. So let's see what this is, because it's very interesting and exciting.
Thank you.
Okay.
This is the eCraft personal cutting system. Comes in a variety of models, as you can see here. This particular model is set up with a color screen and a paper feeder. Now this is key to the new system, is that no more cutting mats. So what you're able to do is use a paper tray like you would with your computer printer, load it with paper, set your designs, which you either can do on your own from your computer or use one of the many SD cards available with different fonts and different designs, and set it to cut and walk away, go on to your next task. Gabby, would you show them?
Sure. It's very much like a printer.
We'll try that one more time. We had it loaded already.
We already selected a design. So now what it's doing in this pass, it is doing a cutout. You can position it on the paper so you can get the maximum yield from a piece of paper, and you don't have to waste. You're paying $2 or $3 a sheet. You want to make sure you're getting as much as you can. You can position it where you want. You can have varying sizes all at the same time. You can instruct it to repeat and have a design, say you wanted to do many, many flowers or many, many of a particular style. The advantage of this, of course, is that you're able to go on to your next task. And when you are finished, which this will be in just a moment, you can see it's a very fast cutter, that you are able to immediately remove them without having to peel them from a cutting mat. So there's no damage to it. There's no more, is the mat, question about tackiness, is the mat sufficient? And you can do a wide variety of textures. This here is more of a standard paper, but we also do some specialty papers. A great example of that is Tim Holtz has created this line of grunge paper. We're the only cutter on the market that can cut grunge paper. So you can see some of our designs here. And something unique to Craftwell is called magnetic paper. In this case, this is a heavyweight stock coated with a magnetic backing. You could see we could do welding, we could do designs, cuts through it like butter.
And that's cool. You got your magnet that you can put on your fridge or whatever it is you want to do. Like butter, huh?
Like butter. Just cuts it like butter. You can stack up multiple sheets of different textures all at the same time. The computer software that accompanies with the machine will let you do your own designs, use your true type fonts that are native to your machine so you don't have to buy additional fonts, and send it using either a USB cable or just load it to an SD card, put it in the machine yourself.
So you can adjust the sizes of your designs, is that correct?
Yep.
That's correct.
In half-inch increments.
In half-inch increments, and then you can design on Photoshop if you want to, save it as like a JPEG or a
That's
PNG,
correct.
Load it onto your, this is called an eCraft.
And load it onto the eCraft.
Okay.
We also have
the storage,
onboard
inside
storage,
all your pens, all of your knives, and then a tweezer to change out the knife.
So why are there multiple pens and knives?
Many different colors.
You can do different colors of pens. So let's show them an example with a pen. We have an example over here on the table over back there. Okay. So you can have writing in addition to the cut.
And all in one pass through. It'll do the pen first and then it'll go around and cut the shape.
Wow. Oh, so you're not having to do it separately. It's
No,
just
it all
done.
does it at one time. You program it, what you want it to draw.
correct, and you don't have to stop and change from blade to pen because both of them ride together. It just uses the correct tool at the right time.
All right.
And don't forget that we can actually do a roller of a whole banner.
Oh, yes.
What does this mean?
If you wish to do banners, because we can do 12 inches by any length, we have a custom roller that'll be put at the end, and then you can feed paper through and do a banner. Perhaps you want to do one that says "Welcome Home, Mary" or "Have Merry Christmas." But you could do it all. It's called welding. Comes together as one long, beautiful banner.
Where can people find this?
You'll be able to find it at major retailers and through the major distributors. Again, product will be arriving in time for the holidays.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
That was the eCraft cutting system.
The eCraft Personal Cutting Systems by Craftwell.
All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you.